Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the tail light bulb on a Mercedes C-class 204. In left, on the left lamp you have this cap here. You take this cap off and you have access to the panel, and in the right side you have this door here. You can take it off too and you will have access to the panel. So to take off the panel you have two clamps here, one this and one this. Pull down and pull up, pull back, and the whole panel will come off like that. Look, in my case the bulbs are good. Over here you're gonna see which type of light you need. Here is P21W, here is W5W, this one is P21W, this one for the turn signal light, it's PY21W, and this one is the same, P21W. Okay, if you want to take off the bulb you must push the bulb inside and rotate to the right. After that you put the bulb inside the panel and rotate to the left. Okay, and now to put the panel back, insert here, insert the bulbs in a lamp like that, and just you need to push until you have a click. Pack. That's it. And put this back and everything is okay. Bye.